Here at School of Motion, our goal is to build well-rounded motion designers. We want you to be able to execute any idea that you or your client come up with. Of course, this takes software skills, design and animation principles, and even specialized techniques now and then. But there's another piece too. Some of the coolest work out there relies on compositing techniques that are often associated with visual effects, like keying, tracking, and integration. The line between motion design and VFX is very blurry, and a good generalist can move seamlessly between both worlds. The problem, though, is that there aren't any VFX or compositing classes specifically tailored to motion designers. Until now. VFX For Motion is a completely unique learning experience like nothing you've ever seen. You'll work your way through several very different projects, each targeting a specific set of skills that motion designers may be asked to utilize in their work. To build the class, we produced a large-scale multi-day shoot to gather elements using professional gear and an amazing crew. From exterior locations to huge sound stages to fully built from scratch sets, you'll be working with footage that simulates just about every kind of challenge you might face. We also enlisted the help of some incredible designers, giving you elements to work with that will push your skills and your portfolio. You'll learn how to rotoscope the right way using tracking and other techniques to assist you. You'll get really good at pulling keys, even challenging ones. You'll learn how to use the point tracker, Mocha's planar tracker, and the camera tracker. We'll go over many different compositing tricks to make your elements sit perfectly in your scene, and you'll learn 1,000,001 new things about After Effects that you didn't know existed. And because this is a VFX class, we've partnered with our friends at Action VFX to give you dozens of clips to work with on various exercises. And we'll show you exactly how to use those practical elements. VFX For Motion contains hours of video lessons and bonus content, but like all School of Motion courses, it's much more than that. We've put together the VFX For Motion podcast series, featuring interviews with some incredibly talented motion designers and visual effects artists who cross back and forth between both worlds. Learning the art and science of compositing can really round out your skill set as a motion designer. Let our support team know if you have any questions, and we hope to see you in class.